Hello, what's up everyone, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks. So here in this video we will let you know the Pixel 5 releases as on September 30, and here's what we know so far. So just a few minutes ago, launching the mid-range Google Pixel 4a, the tech giant is preparing to bring a flagship device Pixel 5 later this month. So just a few minutes ago, after launching the mid-range Pixel 4a, the tech giant is preparing to bring a flagship device Pixel 5 later this month. At the Pixel 4a virtual launch event, Google confirmed that Pixel 5 will be released in September, and that's why what is happening now. Google is set to release the Pixel 5 alongside a View for products on September 30 at a virtual event. Besides Pixel 5, Google is also set to reveal a new Chromecast and Nest speaker for the tech enthusiast. A lot has already been talked about Pixel 5. In fact, even Google has revealed a few details about the smartphone. Before getting into what we know so far about Pixel 5, it must be noted that similar processor Pixel 5 and Pixel 4 may not head to the Indian market. Google Pixel 5 specifications are here. A new leak coming from Leakster WinFuture reveals that also almost everything about the Pixel 5. It confirmed that the upcoming Google Pixel smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G processor integrated by an X52 modem support. The leak further reveals that the Pixel 5 will offer all new features of the recently released Android 11 and a pack of 6-inch Full HD Plus capacitive AMOLED display in 19:5:9 aspect ratio with 90Hz refresh rate covered with Gorilla Glass 6 protection. So camera is one of the best things about a Pixel phone, and a Pixel 5 will be no more exception. That leak suggests that Pixel 5 will sport an 8 megapixel image sensor on the front and dual camera setup, including a 12.2 megapixel primary sensor and a 16 megapixel wide camera. The rear camera also supports video recording in 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 240 fps, while the front camera records at 1080p in 30 fps. In addition, the leak suggests that the Pixel 5 will be coupled with 8 GB of RAM along with 128 GB of internal storage. Battery package backing the device is said to be as big as 4080 mAh with 18-watt USB-C fast charging battery. The Pixel 5 is expected to come with an IP68 waterproofing certification. The Google Pixel 5 price as expected. The same leak also reveals that the price of Pixel 5, as per the leak, the Pixel 5 will be priced at UER 629, roughly rupees 54,000 in India, for the sole 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant. The phone is said to be come in two color options, black and green. Notably, Google is not yet officially confirms the specs and price of the upcoming Pixel 5. So here is a leaks release of Google Pixel 5. You love this, so I hope you love this video. Thanks for watching till end. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and make the bell notification on, as you will get all the notifications of our videos first. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.